What's the meaning of cup tie? Cup tie. Cup tie.
Cup tie. Cup tie. The term cup tie is commonly used in the context of sports, particularly in football. It refers to a match or game that's played as part of a knockout competition or tournament, where the winner advances to the next round and the loser is eliminated. Cup ties are characterized by their high stakes and intense pressure, as the outcome is usually decided in a single game. The result can be thrilling or disappointing, depending on the perspective of the competing teams and their fans, who often invest a great deal of emotion and energy into these matches.